Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to have a look at some of these big gigantic speakers here today, and also we're going to have a look and see what's inside them. So what you have here, you got two silver 6.5-inch woofers here, I think, or 5.5-inch woofers. Hybrid dual woofer, powerful and quality sound. That is true because I put these on so well, but my word, they go ridiculously loud though. They got a real tweeter in the middle as well. On both of these ones here, if I put them side by side, it stinks. Just like that. Got two of these bad boys here. These are the, so you've got the model number here, SS-WZ8. Rated at 6 ohms. That's the rated impedance of these things. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, eh? Try and open up these bad boys. I'm going to leave one just like that so you know which one is which. I'm going to bring the camera close here a little bit so you know how to open these things up. I got my screwdrivers here. Now this is a little bit more difficult one, but still we can open it up. There's a little bit of brute force, a little bit. Try not to damage the wood too much. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, we made a little gap here now, that's good. Face the camera up a little bit just so you guys can see. Just so you guys know what I'm actually doing here. Let's do this like that. Carefully remove the panel because this has never been removed before, so yeah. Let's okay, so let's bring the camera around a little bit. Right here. I don't think we need to take the other one apart because we already know what it looks like now. It's got two woofers here. Not sure what size, but either be 6.5-inch or 5.5. I believe it's probably 5.5-inch. So got the other one here just so you guys know. Let's start off by taking out the woofers here, because the woofers seem to be the most interesting part. I really like them actually, they're pretty cool. Put the screws into this little cabinet here. I'll be back as soon as I've taken the woofers out. Okay, well, taking the woofer out now. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Whoa. Ho ho. These are nice woofers actually. Holy, look at that. Oh, it's got a capacitor in there for the tweeter. Rather nice speakers actually. Very, very nice. And the other one isn't a passive radiator. Because it's not. Holy. These things are so good actually. They're pretty good. I've never seen a black terminal plate before. Let's have a look at the closer look at these drivers and disconnect it. Disconnect it like that. Sorry you guys can't see right now, but still. Whoa. You know what? These woofers are actually very nice. They're actually quite nice woofers actually, I gotta say. Closer look at these bad boys. Wow. Ho. Look at the construction of that thing too. Look how high up the cone is. Very high up, I have to say. I got a speaker that actually has this type of design on here, actually. Let me get it right here. Actually, here's another one I have. This is a Sony subwoofer. This is a 6.5 inch, and this is a 5.5 inch woofer. So yeah, and also this piece actually comes off as well, but I'm probably not going to take it off. I don't want to damage the back magnet on there. Yeah, this thing moves a ton as well for what it is. It moves a ton, man. And this one moves an awful lot, literally does. And look at the surround. How weird is that? In the previous video, we took apart a Sony 5.1 system. And the satellites had very, very weird surrounds on them as well. To be honest with you guys, I actually never seen a surround that actually looked like this. I never seen it like that before. Oh, let's have a look at the tweeter, eh? Let's bring it over here and have a look at the tweeter. Well, I mean, the other woofer will be just the same. So we're going to have a look at the tweeter here. See what the magnet is like off its bracket. It's pretty much like only held in with 2 screws, so I'm gonna put him right there. Let's have a look, eh? Sorry guys, I thought I heard something for a minute. Oh. Yeah, that's not a bad little magnet for a tweeter like that. Cone is very, very, very shiny though. Wow. Pretty shiny if you ask me. And it's just connected like that, simple. So it can basically just sit in there like that and not put any stress on the wires. And so yeah guys, that is it for these big boys here. These are the left and right speakers. Holy, I've never seen any speakers like this before though. That's amazing though. Absolutely extraordinary. It's going to be a little bit tough because, yeah, it has to go into the hole. But still, these speakers are so powerful. They create so much bass as well. They got a little seal around the ports here. I never taken these apart on video. I never taken them apart in person. So it's pretty much the first time of us pretty much having a look inside. So yeah. Oh, you got another extra wire coming from the woofer here. Let's get this woofer here. Notice it's got a gasket on the outside as well. Is where it was mounted. Wow, these are very nice speakers though, I have to say. Good job, Sony. I do have some pliers that will... No, I'm not snipping them. Nah. No, I'm not. Alrighty, let's do this. Put the positive on. Put them on nice and loosely so if anyone needs to get into these things, simply just, you know, take them off. Simple as that. What's that little piece down the bottom? Don't want that in there. That's a big piece for it too. Wow. Alrighty. Now that's gonna go on last. Don't want to damage these lovely speakers though. Now I saw one of the cones was actually cracked on one of these. Which one was it? I think it was this one here. Yeah, it's the bottom woofer down the bottom, but that's alright. As long as it still makes that boom sound, it will be fine. Pause the video until I get the woofer back into its place. Okay, the woofer is back in now. It's all back into place. Seems to work just fine. Let's put this cover back on. I don't know which way it goes. Okay, so this is the top woofer. That's the bottom woofer. Okay. Let's shut this bad boy back on. Simply just goes on over top. Pretty much. Lovely. I do have covers for these ones as well. Lovely. Okay, that's it for the big ones. We don't need to take the other one apart because we already know the woofers are going to be the same, and you can already see that in the video. Let's put those aside and move on to the center channel here. Move on to the center channel here, just down below. Ooh, that was a tight one too. Right, I'll let you guys know as soon as I took and this one apart. Run the last screw. I love the sounds it makes. Tip the screws out. Get the screws out like that. Go. Okay. Let's have a look at the speaker itself. Oh, okay. That's interesting, guys. Look at that. High excursion woofer in here. We've got a tweeter. Let's have a look at the tweeter, eh? Let's look at the tweeter real quick. Screws there, so we don't lose them. Not really as much as a loud click, just like we done with the holes earlier. Ah! This reminds me of another tweeter that I actually used to have. It's one of these old ones. It's got a little plastic diffuser in there. That's cool. You guys want to have a look at this real quick? I'll bring the unit closer so you guys can have a look. Look at that. What a cute little tweeter. Everything's cute. Very lovely, actually. Good job, Sony. Get Sony on the back. I'm gonna probably flip the whole video in the editing process because I accidentally forgot to do that by mistake. And I'll take out the woofer, right? We'll see what that is about. First we'll put tweeter back in to its place so we don't damage it. We already know it's got a capacitor somewhere. Has it even got a capacitor? Oh yeah, it does at the back. All the way at the back there. A little cap. I'm putting this back in just so we don't forget. It's clip 1, this is, of the video. Video clip 1. Oh, okay, this should be interesting. It's only holding with 2 screws. Alright. That's interesting. The woofer is actually holding with 2 screws. Oh, I think I know why. Maybe it's because the other 2 here actually join here for a reason. That is rather interesting, actually. So we don't really need to pause the video to do this. I've never seen a woofer like this before, but still. Oh wow. That's a big boy. Not a bad woofer actually. Little diffuser in there with a tweeter. I didn't even know this actually had a tweeter. I thought this would be the tweeter and this would be the mid-range and this would be the actual woofer. But still. That's cool. That's awesome. The tweeter is actually quite similar to this. Quite similar to the cone design. And it's been hit by the sun because of the brown. Just like the woofer has been, sorry, the tweeter has been hit by the sun. let you guys have a look at that real quick, eh? Put it down carefully just like that. So let you guys have a look at it real quick. See how much it moves? Wow. That's actually not a bad woofer actually. That's not bad. The tinsel is connected directly to the voice coil inside. It's got one of these parts here that will prevent it from shorting out. These ones actually don't sound too bad actually, to be honest. They don't even sound that bad. I like it. I like it. That's going to be a bit difficult, but still. Screws actually go into here. Just like that, and then we'll actually like close up the thing. And yeah, it should be good to go. I'll pause the video so I don't bore you guys all the time. Alrighty guys, I got it back into place. Now let's close this thing up. Just like that. Or is that the wrong way? That's the wrong way. Sorry guys, let me just do this again, eh? Okay, we got it back around the right way now. See if the screws are actually tightened up enough in order to go back in. Try this again, eh? Alright, there we go. Okay, now we can chuck the screws back in. One by one. And the model number of this unit is SSCT400. Made in Thailand. The big ones here are made in Malaysia. Malaysia's pretty good actually. Malaysian speakers. Made in Malaysia. That sounds pretty high end, guys. I can tell you that. And this speaker is rated at 6 ohms as well. 6 ohm unit. Alrighty guys, that's all back together now. I guess that's the end of the video here. That was all in one clip. Okay. Let's bring him here. Okay guys. Cheers for watching guys. I really hope you have a great day. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications. And make sure to watch from start to finish. From start to finish. Simple as that. Alrighty guys. Thank you so much for watching and peace out, man. That was weird.